OnePlus 6T is now official with some amazing new features like the new in-display fingerprint scanner and some minor tweaks. Plus, it also gets rid of something we love the most and it is not going to come back for sure. But let's not discuss that today. Instead, we will be discussing about why you shouldn't be upgrading to the OnePlus 6T if you are already a OnePlus 6 user with these 3 legit reasons. Excited? So let's get started. Now, I have been using the OnePlus 6 from the day it released and no doubt it's an amazing device that you can buy at this price point. Like every year, OnePlus releases 2 flagship devices and this year is no exception. With the OnePlus 6T, OnePlus is trying to improve the user experience of its 2018 flagship device by providing some new cutting-edge technology with minor design tweaks. And yes, it does tick all the right boxes, but as a long-term OnePlus user, I don't think this is worth upgrading from the OnePlus 6. Reason number 1, slow in-display fingerprint scanner. I won't deny that in-display fingerprint scanner looks really futuristic and will be a cool feature to show off to others. But are they really any better? Not really. Judging by the existing in-display scanners, the scanner that we get in the OnePlus 6T is at least a little slower than the rear scanner on the OnePlus 6. The screen unlock feature unlocks with a fingerprint in 0.34 seconds as the company said during its launch event, making it noticeably faster than the in-display scanners found in other phones and only 0.14 seconds slower than the external sensor on the previous OnePlus phones. The question of course is, does it work as advertised? I haven't tested the device yet, but according to some renowned tech reviewers, it's not up to the mark and sometimes it also does not recognize your finger. Now OnePlus always focuses on improving the user experience of their devices, but I guess this time they are just focusing on marketing their device with the latest technology to create the hype. They are also not using the best in-display fingerprint technology available in the market, that is the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner from Qualcomm, which is far more secure and accurate than the optical scanner. Also, I think we are at least 1 year away from this in-display fingerprint technology to get mature enough so that we could be much more reliable on this tech. The debate between the front or rear fingerprint scanner is a personal one, but I have always preferred the natural center position on the rear, so this isn't a feature that speaks to me. Reason number 2, missing headphone jack. OnePlus was always very outspoken when it comes to the 3.5mm headphone jack. They always like to mock other companies for removing the headphone jack, but now OnePlus is also among them. OnePlus is justifying the removal of headphone jack by saying that there wasn't enough room for that, as first we have to put this so-called cutting-edge technology known as the in-display fingerprint scanner, of course for the marketing purpose. Second, we have also bumped up the battery from 3300 mAh to 3700 mAh, which is awesome. But why they are not saying that? They also want to make money by selling their own headphones. If you guys watched the event, then you may know that they have also released the new wireless earphones and few weeks before they have also released their Type-C earphones. Now, does it make sense? For me, it does. And I think OnePlus is also becoming the next Apple by not listening to their customers, as most of us do want the headphone jack. It sucks not having the jack, but you will live. Besides, the future is wireless headphone and you can buy OnePlus's cheap and good sounding Bullet Wireless for $70 or a pair of Bullet wired USB-C earbuds for $20. Reason number 3, a smaller notch is still a notch. The OnePlus 6T shrinks the notch down by 75%. That's a big improvement, but a smaller notch is still a notch. Those that find notches visually distracting likely aren't going to find that teardrop notch speak to them any better. Using several notch phones, I have found you get used to of the notch no matter the size. But some of my notch-hating friends seems to think that the only way to go is to get rid of altogether in a move similar to the Mi Mix 3. Of course, both the 6 and 6T allows you to disable the notch if you really hate it. Well, I know OnePlus 6T is just a minor upgrade from the 6, but why OnePlus is fooling their loyal fans by providing almost the same design aesthetics with a slightly higher pricing and telling them to buy their devices twice a year. I am also a OnePlus user since the first device came out, and I always bought every new OnePlus device on the day it released till the OnePlus 3T. We love OnePlus devices due to its pricing, they listen to their customers and the user experience. As for the pricing, they are increasing it with every new device and soon it would become difficult for an average user to afford future OnePlus devices. By removing the headphone jack, they have sent a message to their community that they will do whatever they will find profitable. They have also ruined the user experience by adding a half-baked fingerprint tech just for marketing gimmick. I know some of you guys will agree with me and some of you will not, but hey, that's just me. And if you will do the math, you will also get to the same conclusion as me. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.